Welcome back to the Anthony Lee Crypto Channel. We are live. It is Tuesday, guys. How is everyone? Hope you can hear me, guys. I got a new microphone. I got the fancy schmancy high dollar Shure microphone, and I haven't used it yet, so hopefully you can hear me. Got the Bitcoin price pumping up, guys. Gosh, dog it, we missed this. I was fixing to take this long. Watch out, guys. Let's jump right into it real quick. We're jumping into the free money zone. We may have a trade right here, but no front running. No front running. We have not closed in it. We're rejecting from the volume spike right now. Got a lot to get into today, but price just jumped on us right here. The title of the video is two big trades today. I'm looking for two big trades today. It's basically the last day of the week as far as the all major markets operating are concerned. You got, let's see, this week, everything's open today, and then tomorrow you see all these holiday. The U.S. is open tomorrow, maybe just a half a day, but I know it's open tomorrow, but nothing else is, and then everything is closed on Thursday and Friday. The U.S. is open, but nothing else. So kind of a week like last week, guys, where it's real squirrely. So maybe a little bit of dead volume after today. So we expect big things today. How's everybody doing? Price is kind of stalling out here. That may have been the short too, guys. Gosh, dog it. That happened really quick. Market's not open yet. Let's see. They're trapping traders, guys. They're trapping traders. I can already tell you what they're doing. But let's see. We'll take a look at it in a second. Cats. Morning. Yeah, holiday was good. Glad to see you back. Thanos, good morning. How is everybody today? Got a poll in the chat. Are we pumping or dumping? Man, this would have been a good short here. We might get another shot at it. We might blast through the free money zone, guys. I don't know. We're fighting these. You can see I got two volume spikes on the chart. We're literally ping-ponging between them right now. Which one will win? We'll break one of them. That is faux show. How is everybody this morning? Anything exciting going on, guys? John, good morning. Max, good morning. All right, we'll kind of watch it, wait for the U.S. Open here. We don't want to get trapped here. Guys, we had a good trading day yesterday in the Anthony Lee Crypto VIP Discord. A couple times a week we do live trading for VIP Discord only. So if you're not in it, jump on in it. We did pretty well yesterday. Let's look and see how our day went. We started out the stream yesterday. Right on stream we started out yesterday. As soon as the stream opened in a long, we took down $600+ live on stream yesterday. We did this one live on stream. But prior to that, we hit the short. Okay, the big short, $2,000 short down from the box given in advance. See if I can find it. I don't even know where it was. Right here, guys. This trade right here, boom. We gave this box in advance. We shorted the dang box. $2,000 made all the way down, guys, and then we hit the live yesterday, the long yesterday, right here. As the stream opened yesterday, we went long right here, boom, and nailed this one. We had this is what I had drawn on just so you guys can start to identify this. This is what I had on the chart yesterday. We built up all this liquidity on the stair step down, and we waited on the break. As soon as we broke above right here on this candle, we broke above the red line, the point of control, broke above it, got into this liquidity right here, and boom, quick liquidation spike right there. And we longed this. As soon as we broke this, we took that long. That was our $600 trade, guys. On top of our $1,900 we made on the way down. And we did some scalp shorting after that. So for a total day of $2,800, guys. We pulled down $2,800 yesterday. Most of this was live on stream, whether this stream or the stream right after. We literally did this yesterday as I had my little notes open as we took these little baby scalps, like I was just adding them up. I did take a $400 loss yesterday on one of the trades, but I was just adding them up. Every one with a $50 profit, 55, 33, 37. And they add up, guys. They add up. Get those scalps in, they add up. So all is good. All is good. What do we have this morning? So this morning we have already taken a couple trades, guys. I gave this trade to you guys, the red box. We shorted the red box on the first entry of the red box. This red box was given to the VIP Discord in advance, and I shorted it. As a matter of fact, I got up in the morning and told y'all I was short right here. Okay, I shorted it. TP down here, and I did get stopped out at entry. So what did we make on this one? 568 bucks, guys. So we're up over 500 bucks on the day so far. So looking for a trade now, looking for two big trades. We're in the red box, but we are not shorting this. Once you come into a level, whether it be support or resistance, sure, you could find a support or resistance a second time or even a third time, and it does happen. But for the most part, once you've tapped a level, I tend to stay away unless we have some really clear-cut signals there. Like an SFP here, which we're trying to do now, but I'm not going to front run this with the U.S. market about to open, guys. Volume a tad low on the mic. Okay, I'll turn it up here. Is that better? Can you hear me now? Somebody let me know if we're too loud, too low. Somebody let me know, and we'll adjust. All right, guys, we got the U.S. market going to open here in a few minutes. We'll take a look at things. We'll take a look. I'll tell you what I'm looking for. The title of the video is two big trades today, and I'll tell you why. Give me just 2 seconds. Let me answer somebody's question real quick. It's a long one. I'm a slow reader. Thanos is better. Okay, good. Anthony, are you still doing the KCEX competition thing? I just signed up and transferred my whole account over there. Was thinking of doing that to encourage me to be consistent with my trading. Yes, we do still do the KCEX competition, guys. If you're not on KCEX, I'm going to hit you with a link right now. I am telling you, you're not going to find a better exchange than KCEX, guys. The lowest fees. I pay literally 1/8 of the fees that I used to pay on other exchanges. You're going to get that through the link. $570 in free bonus money. All you have to do is complete a few little easy tasks, and it's all yours. Use the link. You won't regret it. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. But yes, they still do the competition. I'll look in a minute. We placed yesterday, I can't remember, like 37th place or something like that. I think I picked up $250 free. I'll go check in just a minute. We're going to watch this U.S. Open in a second first. I'll show you something else. Somebody else asked me a question about KCEX earlier about withdrawals, and I'll go over that in a second. FX, what's up? FX says I did that too. It does help. I got like $250. Really helps doing it every day. Yeah, I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. Use the link. Sign up for KCEX. You will not regret it. I'm telling you guys. That's where we are. And so if you want to be cool like us and trade on our VIP Discord live stream, go join that KCEX link. You won't regret it. I'm telling you. You will tell yourself you should have done this years ago. I know I did, and I've been doing this for a long, long, long time. All right, guys, so we get the U.S. market about to open. Let's kind of briefly go over what we're looking for here as possibilities. Of course, anything can happen, but we're just trying to do the highest probabilities, which really we don't have much here. So we're coming into U.S. zone. You know it's reversal, so we're definitely looking to short, okay? Let's make that crystal clear. Look at all this liquidity built up here. Boom, 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 boom. Definitely looking to short. It was a trend to the upside through Asia and UK. You know the U.S. reversals almost always occur right here in this first couple hour window when Asia and UK trend in the same direction. So we're definitely looking for a short, and I wish I'd have just taken this short right here. It happened so fast when this stream was opening. Let me turn VWAP off for a second. Happened so fast, I literally didn't get to catch it. What would have been a good short, guys? We gave this short right here from the VIP Discord. We took this short this morning. I know a few of you took it. I was chatting with some of you this morning at like 2 o'clock in the morning when this hit. I was chatting with y'all, so I'm up. I'm checking the Discord. Gosh, this would have been a good short right here. We're looking for downside, but the U.S. could come up in this free money zone and then bring it down. We are opening now. Let's see what they do. We look up top here from yesterday. We did not take the Asia high. The Asia high still remains. In fact, the UK high still remains up here too. So we could come get this stuff. If you get into this zone right here, you see this orange line, it's going to be the same thing as like right here. If you can get into it, boom, you're going to have fast candle through it just like you had here. Big liquidity spike. If you come up here and break into this, you're going to see a boom, big candle. Probably into our red box here up top and an SFP back down. Hopefully we can catch the long and the short. So these are the trades I'm looking for. I'm not anticipating taking this today, although we certainly could, but I would love to hit this zone right here. What is going on? Oh, we're moving down, guys. We are moving down. This might be a short time. I definitely think we come down and take some of this liquidity right here. We did not take the Asia low is still there. UK did not take it. So we got Asia high, Asia low, UK high, UK low, none of which have been wiped out. So we are going to make some moves today. Sorry about that, guys. I need to be watching this. We're moving. We're moving. Let me drop to the 5-minute here. Very indecisive, but we actually have some bearish CVD divergence, guys. I was looking at this morning. We had making higher highs, lower highs, excuse me. Let me rephrase. Start over, Anthony. CVD going up, open interest going up means longs are coming in, but they could not drive the price up. I know we got this little wick here, but I don't count the wick. And even if you count it from the closes here, you still got, you still close down below this first wick. So this is just an SFP. So we do technically have some bearish divergence on CVD, guys. We're fighting this zone here. Let's see if we had any bear divs on that last pump to the upside. I'm on the 5-minute time frame. Looks like we did have some bearish divergence here. That may have already played out. Let's look at it on the 12. It's wanting to move down. It's wanting to move up. It's indecisive. Got some bear divs on the 12-minute as well. We're definitely coming down today, guys. Definitely. The only question is, do we go up first or do we go straight down from here? I feel like firing off a short because I know we're coming down. Money flow coming up on the 24-minute. Getting the red dot on the 24-minute just appeared right now. You guys did good on the trade this morning. I saw a few of you in VIP this morning. Y'all were doing really well. Good job. The U.S. market is open. We are almost 3 minutes into the open. Still just kind of dancing around here. Undecided. Money flow looking good on the 1 minute. Let's jump over to like the 4 hour. Money flow in the green, but it's coming down. Money flow in the red on the 90 or the 1 hour, 90-minute. Money flow kind of flippy floppy right here at zero line. I think I made her a little short right here. I might wait. I don't have any confirmations yet. You're just going down. The only question is, do they want to send it up first? Red dot on 24-minute, but volatility headed down. That's not good. If it was headed up, we would be short already. 15-minute red dot. Same thing though. Volatility curve to the downside is the only reason this price is being held up right now. Volatility coming down on the 12. On the Bjorn indicator. Volatility coming down on all of these, so price unable to push down right now. I'll show you guys something on the KCEX in just a little bit, though. Just kind of been stuck in this range all morning, guys. So in the volume profile here. Objective from top of the range, flirting with the point of control right now. Another tap, value area high. I'm on the 1 minute right now, guys. We also have, let me show you this. We also have a really tiny CME gap that formed in the night. Price took off and it wicked up so fast we left a little bitty CME gap down here, guys. That's a good target. You see it? See that gap right there? On spot price action, it was at about 87.2. On here, it's at about 87.6 on CME, but it was about 87.2 when that occurred on spot. So there is a CME gap down there, guys. Got a vector candle way down below it also. Left behind a vector candle. Got a lot of targets to the downside, guys. Question is, do they want to trap you to the upside first? Waiting for that 845 move. Somebody tell me something good. How'd everybody do on their trades yesterday? I know some of you sent me P&L cards. They were really good. I know Max killed it yesterday. He caught that big short yesterday morning. Still indecisive, guys. Trying to push through, trying to break down. Again, we're waiting on that 845. Max said, I killed it yesterday thanks to you. Oh, dude. You killed it because you're the man. You're the man. Trying to push up a little bit here, guys. Don't front run this free money zone, guys. If we get into it, wait for confirmation. You know we're gonna make plenty of money because it's gonna rip up through it. So don't front run it. You could reject hard just like you did the last time we came up to it 15 minutes ago. Just recovered 50% of that wick. That may be all they wanted. Let's see. We had a daily red dot yesterday, guys, but it disappeared. This is when we talk about confirmations. When something's confirmed and unconfirmed, we had the daily red dot appear at the close, or open of the new day, rather, and the daily red dot is gone. You have pushed up and completely wiped it out. So that's just kind of a lesson to not front run those. And we talked about this last night in Discord with a couple of folks. If you do front run them, you have to drop to a lower time frame to manage it. And that way, when the lower time frame starts flipping on you, there's a good chance that's going to domino into your daily flipping on you. So manage it from a lower time frame if you're a front runner. And this might be it. Like a good short area, guys. Coming into point of control. If we lose point of control here, we're gonna hit the short. And got a blood diamond on the 1 minute. Short. All right, guys, we are short. Let's shave off some profit here. Uh-oh, he didn't shave. We're in profit. Stop loss to entry or stop loss to profits. Okay, so win and trade, no matter what happens, guys. We are in a winner. Uh-oh. We are in a winner no matter what happens here, guys. We could get a big move down here. We've already secured $50 in profit. No problem. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Are you with me, guys? Are you with me? Are you with me? Still moving down, guys. There we go. Stopped out. Good trade, guys. Good scalp trade. All before 8:45. That one just popped up on us. We're still waiting on our 8:45. I'm expecting the big trade today, guys. There's going to be a really big trade to be had. This could be the start of it, guys. But we didn't break the trend line that we're looking for. I've got on the chart here. You can see it. I could see it on my KCEX chart, just eyeballing it. But you see this trend line? We did not break it. That's one reason that I was trimming off of that trade. I'm waiting for the break of this. Same thing. These aren't clustered together as closely as some of the others were in our trade yesterday. See how they're much more clustered together? There's a lot more of them. Bang, 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 bang. These are a little more spread apart, but they act the same way. Liquidity lies below wick lows and wick highs. So we've got to break this trend line. If we do that, we can have a quick move down. Okay, guys. Target one would be the point of control. I think VWAP's coming in right around there also. Yeah, somewhere right around there. VWAP, point of control. But we probably won't stop there. This probably won't hold us up because we're going to be hitting liquidity spikes here, guys. So we're going to come on down through. But we do have our green and red boxes. Again, this red box at the top side is already mitigated. It's already played out. We took this short right here. Right here. By the way, we just bounced from the value area low of this range. I'm going to delete this. It's a small range. We took the short here this morning. Boom, in Discord. It was a good trade. We made a few $100. Coming up on 8:45 here, guys. Anybody take that trade? John said I did pretty good. Did okay on the morning trades, but I did really well on the short from 87.6 to 87.1. A few $100 on the day. Good, dude. Good. Good, 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 good. Did anybody just take the short trade with me? Anybody? Anybody? I know you had to have taken it West Coast. How do we do on this one? Let's see. I didn't even look. $73. Not too bad for 1 minute. Look at the 15-minute, guys. Look at Bjorn. This is beautiful. This is how you know we got stochastic coming down while volatility is going up with a Bjorn red dot. That is a good sign. See if we can get some of these in the larger time frames. The only thing I don't like about this 24-minute, which it did play out, but volatility is headed down. All right, we got the 8:45 coming up here in less than 2 minutes. Thanos, my man, made another 35 this morning. You're on a roll this morning, dude. I was seeing you earlier this morning in Discord. You're on a roll. Good job, man. Hey, did you, just out of curiosity, you actually, I saw you chatting it up in Discord and talking about the confirmed Bjorn green dots this morning. I was asleep. I missed it completely. But did you take that trade? Good job recognizing that. Did you take that trade? We're going to look at some more of the macro stuff too, guys. I know there's not a whole lot of macro going to happen today, most likely, or this week. But we're going to take a look at it anyway. Oh, that's our alert that we're less than a minute to 8:45. I'm going to show you guys something real quick also. Let me get logged into my other account. I have multiple KCEX accounts. All right. Sorry, guys. Give me just 1 minute. We're waiting on 8:45 in 6 seconds anyway. All right, 8:45. Let's see what they do, if anything. It doesn't look like they want to come up, though, guys. It looks like the move is going to be to the downside this morning. I was really hoping to get to the upside first. Nothing yet, guys. Still waiting. We'll get one though. They'll pull the trigger in just a second. All right, guys. This is my new KCEX account. I trade on a couple of accounts. Somebody was asking me last night about. Oh, Thanos, you took the short instead. Okay, cool, good. You made money on that. I know you did. I talked with you on that. Somebody's asking me about withdrawals and if they have any problems, because some exchange give you a hard time when you just want to get your money off, believe it or not. And I've had no problems, none. This might be our short here. Hang on one sec. We don't have any confirmation on Bjorn yet. Anyway, let me pull this up for you. This is my withdrawal. I started this account on, I guess, 12/18. So I started my first withdrawal. I withdraw my profits fairly regularly. And you can see I've withdrawn almost every day, a little slower during Christmas week. But the next day, 12/19, I withdrew 600, 100 on the 23rd. This is where we were traveling, so I didn't really do much. 2,000, 2,100 more on the 23rd, 200 on the 24th, 318, 25th, $1,000 on the 26th. 4,300 on the 28th, and another 964 yesterday. So I don't even know what that is. I need to add that up. But what is that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over $9,000 we're up, guys, in 10 days. So we're making about $1,000 a day here at Anthony Crypto. But we withdraw this. So all these withdrawals were successful, no problem. I literally hit withdraw, did my little security stuff, and had it in my account in like 15 minutes. So yeah, all good there, all good there. Just want to let you know, because there were some questions about that. Some people get a little apprehensive when it comes to withdrawals and things like that. So join our Discord, guys. I give these trades for those withdrawals that you just saw, I'm taking and giving to you guys in advance. All you have to do, I'm not a financial advisor. You shouldn't copy trade me, but I'm just saying we make money with the trades. A lot of that's with scalping too. We do live scalps in the Discord. Go get you a KCEX first of all, though. Click the link. Anyway, if anybody has any other questions about KCEX, just let me know. I'll be happy to share anything with you. Let me get logged back into my other account now. Wow, $9,000 in 10 days. This is not too shabby. Especially when we didn't even trade a couple of those days with Christmas. I'll take it. I will take it. Hang on one sec. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not going anywhere. I just got to pull something up that you can't see. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so we're tapping on the door of our free money zone. That's okay. I did not long this. This is something that I might would have longed on a normal situation, but I'm not front running this because we've rejected from this volume spike so many times. I want to get in this free money zone before I long. So basically a breakout continuation if we're going to take it. But it looks like it wants to go. Get in it, guys. Make sure we don't SFP this though. Don't front run yet. There's plenty of money to be made here. These are our two big trades we talked about. This is what I wanted. I want to come up through this, and then I want to fall down through it all in the same day, courtesy of the U.S. market. Yeah, saving the Republic, moving up, but don't front run this. I'm telling you, we just SFP'd right there. Took it with bearish divergences too, so maybe a shortable area actually, guys. We have confirmations on neither at this point. Doesn't want to SFP, doesn't want to rip through. We have no confirmations of either yet, guys. We're looking for it though. I'm here with you, I'm looking for it. That's that volume spike we've got on the chart. See, volatility's looking like on the 3 and 6 minutes. Volatility's headed up. We got extreme volatility. Still ticking up. Longable area, guys. Do we go through it? If you've longed this, you need to run a tight stop because it could fall quickly through. Let's long. There it is. There it is. Oops. There it is. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're long, guys. We've taken profit. Stop loss is in profit. We are long. We're in the free money zone, guys. Are you taking this trade with us? Are you with us, guys? Somebody's with us. We're in the free money zone, and we are long, 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 long. Look at that. Ripping right through the free money zone, guys. Stop this out. We'll take it. You're probably still good. I ran a tight stop. Probably going to come up in the 618. I don't care if I'm out because I'm going to look for a short up here, guys, if we get there. Good trade, guys. Afak is in. John is in. Thanos, you better be in, brother. No, I'm just kidding. You do you. I got in, though. Coming up to the 618. That's what we're looking for. Let's do an alert here. Come up to the golden pockets. Good trade, guys. That's two good trades so far on stream. Two good trades. Got a value area right here. We're at, well, I don't know where it went. It was just on the screen, I thought. I swear there was a blue line on the screen. There it is. I don't even know where it's coming from. Disregard. Still pushing, guys. $110 profit. No problem. What was the other one? 70 serve 183. And $800 up on the day, guys. Good job. $800 in 3 trades on the day. Outstanding job. Like to push a little bit higher, and then our prediction will be correct of 2 big trades on the day. The free money zone trade, and then the short all the way through all of this. That's going to be the biggie. So we're hoping to get up here, coming into it right now. Going to look for a rejection, short back to the downside. Let me be looking at some time frame divergences here. Let me turn off this VWAP. It's cluttering and it's not applicable right now. Hope you're still in this trade, Thanos. Thanos says, oh yeah. Coming in the golden pocket. If you haven't TP'd, now would probably be a good time, guys. Front run the golden pocket. Let's check Bybit. I'm not on Bybit. I'm on KCEX. Let me throw a fib on here. It's more accurate. Front run it here too. I'm gonna set the alert there. Set the alert on the Bybit chart, because if you come into it on KCEX, that's great, but if you front run it on Bybit, you're probably not out of the woods yet, because you're probably going to come back to it on Bybit. I do a lot of my charting on Bybit, even though I trade on KCEX, because the levels are generally respected a little bit more. I don't think we've come this far to stop now, guys. Let me look at the 0.5. I think we should push up into it. Yeah, we're above the 0.5. We should push up into that golden pocket, guys. Should. Good trades today, guys. That's 2 good ones so far on stream. I want the big one, though. I want the short to the downside. We're covering these vectors, too, guys. If you don't vector candle trade, you're really missing out. Vectors here, all these red, these bright red and green candles, blue candles, purple candles, those are targets. Stano stopped out. Did you do good, brother? Did you do good? John stopped out. How about you? Proud of you guys, both of you guys. Max still in. Good. Hey, don't feel bad. I got stopped out too. But I'm okay with that, because I'm looking at flippy floppy, and it's hard to be managing in a trade when you're trying to flip. Like if you're in a long and it's chaotic and you're trying to manage it, and then it hits the rejection point you're looking for, it's hard to just flip like that. Here we go. Coming into the golden pocket now. John made 63 bucks. Nice job. I only pulled down 110 or whatever it was. But that's okay. We're up 800 on the day, and I'm stoked about it. Free money zone. God, this is the greatest zone. And this zone has been hitting, like hitting. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this free money zone. How many times this has hit? Look at those 1 wick candles. Free money zone. All right, let's look for our divs here. Got a little divergence here on 15 minutes. No divs on the 24. No real significant divergences here, guys. Which probably means be careful. When you don't have that, you typically do something like this. So there's no real divergence here on the 1 minute, correct? So you typically do something like this, get everybody to go short, and then they come back up into the zone, and then they come down. They create the divergence like that. Something like that. Sometimes they do it 3 times. Just like that. Triple drives a bearish divergence. I would be looking for something more like that, because we don't have any divergences here. It doesn't mean we can't just roll over from here. Oops. I am deleting all sorts of good stuff. We can still roll over from here. It's just there's no confirmations here, guys. So I'm looking for a push a little bit higher. We have so slightly front ran that golden pocket too. So don't feel like you need to flip short here. I'm not shorting this. Even if I miss out, I would rather see it come back into the golden pocket and create a little bit of bearish divergence, and then I would take the short. Money flow starting to come out on the 1 minute. Yeah, starting to round. Money flow starting to round here on the 3 minute. Here we go. They could be going for it right now. Let me go back to KCEX. Tapping the golden pocket right now. Let's look for a reaction. Go to the 1 minute. Guys, they might just rip through this too. Just because it's here doesn't mean they have to turn it around here. We are in our box though. There it goes. I'm dilly-dallying around over here, not paying attention. Oh, we already got the dot on the 1 minute Bjorn. I missed it. Shorting. Got to be quick with it, guys. We could fall right through this, or we could come back up and take out more. If you're shorting, you got to be quick. Shaving off 50%. I missed it. Dang it. I missed that. Looks like a good short. Close that trade out, guys. Made 12 bucks. It was an accident. I meant to close half, but it was pulling back on me. I'm going to try to get back in this, though. We're going to look for this 3 minute confirmation. John is short. Got to take profit quick on this one. We could fly through this. All right, taking profit, guys. Profit taken, adding in stop loss. We are short, guys. Are you short with me? Come on, push down, push down, push down. I got my stop a little tight here, guys, because there's a lot of volatility this morning. This thing could rip back up. Dang, stop me. That's okay. We're making profit. We're making profit. I like this trade, though, guys. Just got the 3 minutes dot. Nothing on the 6 minute yet, guys. Look out, we're coming down to that volume spike. If you do, that we've had such trouble with as resistance today, we could find it a support and bounce right back through this thing. Don't be surprised. By the way, guys, in my Discord, if you did not take this trade, got the dang red box right there. Got the red box right there. Had the red box right here. Falling through. Great short trade, guys. Who took this trade? Thanos, are you in it? AFAC is short. Cat is short. Good trade, guys. Fighting with this volume spike right now. I think we come take it all. I think we come take it all, guys. This thing's going to come down. Like to see the 6 minute red dot, get a 6 minute Bjorn. Like to see a 5 minute coming up here in 30 seconds too. If you guys are still in this trade, I hope you've shaved off some profit. John says TP1 just hit. Good. Thanos is in. Good, guys. Good. Looking for 2 big trades this morning. We got one of them. Hopefully this is our second one that we're in now. All right, getting a 5-minute red dots. Volatility headed up. Need the red dot to play out. Money flow trying to flow back to the upside, though. This thing could rip right back through this to the upside, guys. Be careful. Be careful if you're in it. Got the 6-minute closing in 30 seconds. Need a big push down. Need a big push down. See how we came and recovered that vector, but we're creating a vector to the upside. Still got these vectors down here, down near the point of control. Looking for a push down. Looking for a red dot right here in 2 seconds. Got it on Cypher, not on Bjorn. Push down. Cat stopped out in profit. Good job. Anytime you're making a profit, it's a good thing, right? Here we go, guys. Here we go, guys. Push down. Stop playing around, Bitcoin. We got a live audience. Push down, make us look good. Fulfill the call. Fulfill the call of 2 big trades. It's fighting, guys. It's fighting. How's the music, guys? Let's go with some dramatic music for this. I know some of y'all are still in this trade. Let's go a little dramatic trade music. We need this thing to push down hard. We'd like to see some big wicks come down here, take out this trend line, and then we could go on down. It'd be lovely. Let me set an alert. Sounds good? Okay, good. Hope it comes down to the bottom of the red box, so does the volume spike. Yeah, that would be nice. I'd like to break that to the downside, guys. Listen, if we get sucked back up into this free money zone, you could push right back through this. We're probably at a golden pocket from this move. Let's see. It's probably what we're fighting with right now. Yep, right into that golden pocket area. I do think we're fixing to push down through it, though. Let's check out a little medium time frames here. Volatility headed up on the 24th. The KCEX headed down. That's good. I can't even see this. Volatility headed down on the 15. Got to push it down, Biddy. Got to push it down right here. This is it. It's not one to push down. There it goes. All right. If we can break these wicks right here, we can move down and at least come to this trend line. Here it goes. Got to break these wicks right here, guys. Shouldn't be long now. Squeezing together. See that push to the downside. Let me remove this fib. Maybe that's the problem. It doesn't want to move because there's a fib in the way. Now that I've moved the line off the chart, it can do its thing. Max just closed out $223 in profit. Nice job. Coming up on the volume spike here, guys. If we head back in, we could head up. Might just SFP this little wick right here. Looking like it wants to do a little something here, guys. Six-minute red dot did not give us much. We got 30 seconds left on it, but it did not give us much. Under a 10-minute dot, not on Bjorn though. This trade is playing out way longer than I thought it would. AFAC, pull it down. Yeah, I agree. Push it down. Maybe it needs a little encouragement here. Down. Down. We want down. It's not listening to me, guys. Oh, well, even if it moves back up, guys, I think everybody made pretty good profit on this trade. That's 3 good trades we've taken on the stream. If we move back in here and get some confirmation above this volume spike, we could long back through it. We could possibly long back through this. It's fighting it, guys. It wants to go to the upside. It's trying to go up, guys. We're not afraid to long. Definite no trade right here, guys, if you're not already in one. Big indecisiveness. This thing's about to break one way or the other, though, in the next couple minutes. There we go. Come on, push it down. Push it down. Look at that trend line being held up. If you can get just below it, let's set an alert below it. We break this right here, we should be okay to the downside. And you break this, you probably fix a pop to the upside. So we got alerts on both sides. The next one that goes off wins. Push down, bit of corn. Could be bear flagging out here. Although it has the feel like it wants to go up. However, it should go down. Red dot on the 1 minute. Cipher has the go up feel, but it should go down, which probably means it's going up. Guys, can you tell a difference in this microphone I've got? Can you tell the difference at all? Or did I just spend way too much money? Being held up on this point of control, guys. How is that a point of control? It's only on the 1 minute time frame. That's not a point of control. That's my red chart line. It's my red box that we shorted from earlier. All these dots just flippy floppy, but Bjorn has not given you anything. Uh-oh, Bjorn giving you the green. I don't like it though. Money flow coming out. Volatility coming down. I'm shocked this thing is not broken to the downside. And I'm shocked at how much I feel it wants to break to the upside. There's a big fight going on right here, guys. Mike sounds really good. John says, not nearly as thin. Good. Vu Manchu and Red Dot. Yeah. Yep. Oh, it's so tempting to front run this. So tempting to front run this to the downside. This is a dangerous area, guys. This is a good volume spike right here, guys. I want to see this trend line at the bottom break. That's what I want to see. When this thing pops, it's fixing to pop with a big, fast candle. Whichever way it goes. There it goes. Downside, guys. If you can get into this little bit of liquidity cluster right here. Come on, Biddy. Pop it to the downside. Don't fake us out. I'm talking to it. It listens to me. None of the alerts have gone off yet, guys, so no confirmation. I got alerts set. Makes you nervous. That's the dramatic music I got going. Anybody in a trade right now, y'all? We've taken a few good ones on the stream so far. We've killed it. We're up. I don't even know we're up. What are we up? $800-900? Send it down. Broke the trend line. Will we bearishly retest it and head down? That is the plan. But will we get it, or did we just fake out? $12-minute dots. Not on Bjorn, though. 10-minute dot, not on Bjorn, though. 15-minute dot on Bjorn. All right, I like this. I like it, guys. So close, just a few more dollars down, and this thing's gonna pop to the downside. Get ready, guys. You heard it. There's the alert. And we're fixing to pop to the downside. We should. Pop, pop. Got one more wick, guys. Just got to get below this last little one right here. Guys, go join KCEX. Trade with us. I just showed you $9,000 worth of withdrawals over the last 10 days. 9 grand in 10 days. I know a lot of guys do that on one trade. It just depends on what your style is. And how big of an account you have to start. Oh, guys, you see what I see? We covered this yesterday, guys. Let me put it up here for you. We covered this yesterday. See what I see? See what I see? Stiletto pattern, guys. You see it, don't you? You know what that means. Price goes up, comes down, and rolls off the end. Stiletto pattern, guys. This thing's going down. Should. John says, now I'm annoyed that he closed out too soon. You cannot think like that. That is the wrong mentality. Listen, not trying to harp on you. You do you. But I'm telling you, you know how many times I've been in a trade where I closed out too soon and it went my way? And so the next time I used that mentality and didn't do it and I got absolutely wrecked. You can't do that. You can't do that. Because what if you hadn't a trail to stop and this thing went boom like that instead and came right back to the free money zone? Can't do that. Or maybe you can and get away with it. I can't do that. Let me say I can't do that. I did that many times and got in a lot of trouble. So guys, we're looking for the stiletto pattern. I'm looking for one of two things here. I'd like to either see an SFP here or a break of this orange line for a short, okay? I definitely want an SFP, a confirmed SFP of this though, because we are in the free money zone. If we don't get any confirmations, this thing could just do exactly what it did right here. Guys in the Discord, we have put 2 boxes to you, 2 boxes in advance on the Discord. Some of you were talking yesterday about how scalping is really not your style. You need, you know, things that aren't so rapid fire. We had 2 of them right here. Boom, good trade right there. Okay, you only had to be in this trade for 2 hours. 2 hours right there, 2 hourly candles. Really less than that. Probably get everything you needed in about an hour. This one right here, boom. This is a 1 hour candle, so it's not that super quick in and out in 1 minute kind of thing. So 2 good trades for you. Hope you're taking them. If we get a 1 minute Bjorn dot here, I might short. It would be a front run, but I like the stiletto. Where did my stiletto go? Come back over here. Now, stiletto is not 100%. To cancel, and there was some yesterday I saw, and to know that it's going to be a failure is to get back above these highs with some closures, okay? With some closures like this. Closure, retest, and then up and out of there. But as long as you stay held under this, I don't even know the number, but I would probably say 75% of the time you're going to roll off the tip of this. But we ain't scared to file for long if we could. Look, we had no closes this entire time above that volume spike. Look at that. None. All wicks, all wicks, all wicks. Shave off some profit here, guys. Missed it. Stopped out. No problem. That happened too quick, guys. Sorry. I hit that wick right there. The SFP of the volume spike. Way too quick. Plus, I would feel bad about giving you guys that trade anyway. It happened way too fast, and it is a higher risk trade. And we had 0 confirmations. And that easily could have wrecked me. We do have vectors up above, guys. We do have vectors up above. There. This one might be considered mitigated. You got about 40, not quite 50, about 40% of that. But you have this one completely untouched right here. But you got a lot of vectors to the downside, though. Way more to the downside. Let's take a look at our poll, guys. While we wait, we're just waiting for a break. That's all we are waiting for. Which way will this break? Take a look at our poll. Bitcoin, 55% of you say pump. So basically coin flip, guys. I think we could pump one more time, maybe. See if we get it right here. But ultimately, I think we dump. You know, this is the U.S. reversal zone, right? And so far, we haven't reversed anything. We've continued the trend. We got a 30-minute candle close coming in 2 minutes. If we get that, we might pump up through here. Stiletto pattern invalidated. I'm not front running this yet. Just got a 3-minute Bjorn green dot. Might be worth a hit. Let's hit it. Push, Bitcoin. Push. Vector candle recovery. Just petering out here, guys. It wants to push. Push, Bitcoin. No follow through here, guys. Volume has just died off on us. It might give it up here, guys. It might give it up and head on down. If we get the 1 minute Bjorn here, I might short this, guys. If we get the 1 minute Bjorn, I might short this. Gosh, look at how volatility's just dried up, y'all. You get the 30-minute candle close, but just no volume. Got the 1-minute Bjorn here. Here we go. Push it down. See if we can follow through on the 3. Doesn't look good. Just holding up, finding support on that volume spike now. Look at that bullish retest of the volume spike. We might fly through this, guys. Here goes. Anybody in a trade right now? We're just kind of chilling. Usually we do more TA than this, but it's we've been right here dancing around, breaking out or breaking down. We don't want to miss it. Six-minute Bjorn green dot. Volatility headed down though. Just low volatility. Even look at the 1 minute. It's way down here. Just low volatility, guys. Big move to open and then just died off. We did get the 30-minute close inside the free money zone. I think we got it inside there. Should push up through this. John's just waiting. Thanos got his finger on the trigger. This is a dead price action, guys. I was so excited about today. It started off hot too. Our forming this vector candle the upside on the 1 hour. Still holding the volume spike. For now. If this volatility on the 1 minute would flip back up right here and cross this orange line, we get expansion. You're going to get a big move one way or the other if we can get that volatility flip. Getting the red dot here. There you go. You got the flip. It's curving back down though. It's trying, getting the flip. You might get a big move to the upside here, guys. Volatility stays up. Stochastic's pointing up. Might get a big move to the upside here, guys. See volatility expansion on Bjorn. Went below the orange. Flip back up above the orange. Volatility expansion. Getting the move. Push. There it goes. A little bit more. Go take that wick. A little bit more. Give us the green dot on Bjorn. We're good. There it goes. Take the wick. Go. 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 Shaving off some profit. Uh-oh. I messed this trade up. Totally messed this trade up. Did you get it, guys? Did you take it? I totally messed up my TP on that. I was trying to TP for $90 and I only got 63. That is how you scalp trade. For those of you that are unfamiliar with Bjorn, that is how you scalp trade the Bjorn. We'll go back through that in just a second. They're super quick moves. You have to watch it on your own. You have to be ready. Took 63 on that. I tried to TP 90 and stop loss at entry, but I messed up and it started moving quick. I messed it up. Still in this trade, guys. It's trying to break up. Right back through the free money zone. John missed it. Well, here's how we got it, guys. If you're going to scalp trade, if you are going to scalp trade, here's what you want to look for. First of all, you want to be aware of where you're at. Okay, we know we're in the free money zone, right? We know you can rip through this zone really quickly, right? You got to be aware. Like, this trade may not play out if you got this, what I'm about to show you, and you're right here at the point of control, okay? Because you got heavy resistance right above you. So we know we're in a low volume zone, so you can rip up like we just did here. $300, which isn't huge, but you make a lot of money if you find these trades. Moved up $300 in like 1 minute, 2 minutes, okay? But here's what we looked for, and I told you right before it happened. Volatility was coming way down on the 1 minute. That's this multicolored line. Got the red dot, but I wasn't concerned with it because volatility was low, right? And I said we're looking for the flip. We're looking for the flip and volatility. That doesn't mean price goes up. Price goes the direction of the stochastic. It just goes there in a hurry when volatility is expanding. And as soon as we got that, boom, that flip to the upside, we got a simultaneous flip and stochastic to the upside. So that told me we were fixing to go fast to the upside. And it's only a 1 minute candle, so it goes super fast. Not like getting it on a 15-minute candle, for example. Okay? And then right after that, like the next 1 minute, that was on this big green candle. The next 1 minute, we get the green dot, which we continued up and we stopped out somewhere in here. So that is how you do that on Bjorn. Like right now, you just got a red dot, but not on Bjorn. Went out, disappeared on Cypher. Disregard. Probably coming for this vector candle right up here, this purple vector. Put alert right above these highs. Push, break those highs. Have any questions on these guys, how we did the scalp? I know it's quick. It's not your big trades. We are looking for the big trade. I'm actually looking for an area to turn around. I do think we come to the downside today. I think all they're doing right now is just trapping traders. We'll go check CBD in a second. Coming into this golden pocket right here, this might be a good shortable area if we can come into it. Let's look at it on Bybit. Front running on Bybit so far. Probably push back up into it at least. No questions. I just need to get faster. Yeah, if you're going to scalp like this, it's very fast. You can make a lot of money. You guys saw me yesterday in the live feed afterwards. I probably took 10 trades and I averaged from 20 to 50 bucks per trade. But I walked out of there like plus 300 bucks, you know, after an hour and a half. So got to get quick with it, but they add up as long as you can be quick. You literally have to have, so what I would do, like as I'm sitting here watching, I know what I'm looking for, okay? I'm at an area, let's say I'm at an area resistance. Let's say I'm coming in this golden pocket, right? Coming in the golden pocket, so I know there's a strong chance we find resistance there and move down at least for a small trade. So I'm gonna sit here. I'm already gonna have this pulled over to how much of my trade I wanna put on it, right? I don't know if you can see that in the, so I'm gonna have what I want put on it. I have my leverage already set. I don't wait for my confirmation to click the button. I'm looking for the confirmation. And once I see that red dot on Bjorn or whatever it is I'm looking for, I immediately hit short. So price is already trending in my direction by the time I hit the button, so I can quickly TP. And to do that, well, I'm not in a trader. I'll show you there's a close button up there. You click close. And then allows you to select how much percentage you want to close. If you click close all, it's just going to shut the whole thing out. But I usually just do close and I'll put like 50% or whatever it is. And then I'll secure that. And then I immediately go in and set my stop loss somewhere in profit or break even, unless I have a pre-designed area that I want my stop loss to be at. But if I have a predetermined area, I usually set my stop loss before I take the trade. But if I'm scalping, most scalps have like general micro technical analysis done on them, as in I know the trend, I know market structure, I know where we're coming into, but I don't have predetermined stop loss levels because those may vary. Like I can't say, okay, I want to enter a trade like right here when we got the signal just a minute ago and already know where my stop loss is going to be. I know it would be under here, for example, but this price action is developing, so that stop loss can change as this price action develops before I get in my trade. But like on a box, on one of our big boxes, I already have it marked out, a predetermined level. Like right here, I want to enter my short. I want to look for the reactions, of course, and the divergences. But I want to enter my short, and if this doesn't play out, by the time we get to this line, there's my stop loss. That's predetermined. You can't really do that on these quick in and out scalps. So you got to act fast. Yes, I TP first. I TP almost instantly. If you enter, first of all, always be aware of the structure, okay? So if I know structure's up and I'm looking for a long, and whatever it is I'm looking for, you know, for example, we pass VWAP, or we bounce off VWAP, or we break through point of control, whatever that is, and then I get the Bjorn red dot, okay? You only get a Bjorn red dot if price is already trending in that direction. Of course, the 1 minute's fast, not like the hour, it's fast. So if you get that Bjorn dot, well, we pumping, guys. If you get that Bjorn dot, that means you're already going in that direction, so you should be ready to TP quickly and then stop loss to entry, okay? Because on a 1 minute, that's not extreme confirmation. You could easily roll back over, okay? And you could just as easily just put your stop loss at entry once you TP and just let it ride. You don't have to trail it like I do. Like if I hadn't trailed to stop here, I'd still be in this trade making money. That's just not how I do it. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do, but today, like I sat here and made $1,400 on what should have been a scalp one day 2 weeks ago live with you guys. It just depends on where we're at and what the market's doing, but I trail closely right here today because this has been just chop, 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 chop. So I want to be right there, just get stopped out, look for the next trade. But if you were having like consistent moves like we do a lot of times, like big fast move up, big fast move down, and not all this chop, then I probably wouldn't trail a stop so close because I'd give it a little room to do this. Ding, 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 ding. But when you're doing this, then I just want to get in and out, in and out, in and out. So it depends on the day. Could be finding our short here, guys. Could be blasting through too. See what we get. No 1 minute divs. No 3 minute divs. No 6. Well, we could drop from here, but there's no divergences. The only good thing I see is money flows coming down. About to get a 1 minute dot. And we're in the free money zone, which goes both ways. You can fall through it just as fast as you came up through it. What are we up today, guys? About 900 bucks. Usually when I start saying things like that, I take a chance. Why not? Let's see what we get here. Where are we at on the 3 minutes? If we get this red dot, Bjorn dot on the 3 minute, might be worth our while. We could take all of this. Look at this, guys. If we can get down through that. Three minute coming up in 10 seconds. Probably not going to get it. Didn't get it, not yet. Wants higher. Which is what we expected. We didn't have any divergences here. I'll be honest, guys, I'd really like this thing to break down. There's just a lot of stuff below from Asia, UK. Completely untapped. I'm telling you guys, if you get into this right here, you're going down in a hurry, 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 hurry. Big drop. This is the move I'm looking for today, guys. Whether we push a little bit higher or not, this is the move. Thanos, yeah, TP1, then stop loss to entry and profit. Absolutely. You just don't lose many trades that way. You may not hit the home runs, but we're talking scalps. We do day trades and things like that, and those are where our boxes are for, and we've knocked those out today. Both of our box trades were good ones. So it's really your tolerance for speed and decision making and reaction. So it's how quick can you react? How quick can you decide? Can you decipher, okay, I just crossed point of control to the upside. I just got the green dot on Bjorn on the 1 minute. This is it. I got to react. I got to get in. I got to take profit. I got to stop loss. If you can do that, you can make a lot of money. It may take you a handful of trades, but they add up. Crossing the 786 from this move right now, guys. Anybody take this trade? I'm stopped out, but I took it. Remember, we got the 30-minute candle close inside the free money zone. We got the 30-minute close. That was our signal. Oh, I'm on the wrong chart. There was a signal, right? 30-minute candle close inside the free money zone. Probably fix come take this high right here, guys. We hit the 886. If we hit the 886, we're very likely we can take that high. We did. We SFP'd the 886 so far, so we're probably fixed to come for the high. Any questions, guys? You know what we're looking for today? For a little bit of this upside, which we started out the video telling you we're looking for up, then down. We got the up. How much more running room does this thing have? How much more legs does it have to run? That's the question, but we're ultimately looking for downside. Got a daily level down here, the Asia low. Got a small CME gap from in the night. Got a vector candle down here. This is good target area right here. Somewhere around 87.2 to 86.8. Somewhere in that area is a good target. And it could go much lower. Any questions at all before I get out of here, guys? It was a good stream today. I'll be in VIP Discord for a while today, so you can always chat there. I'll let you know. No questions. All right, guys. Well, that's it. I'm going to get out of here. Good job. I know a lot of you took these trades today. You made some money. I'm proud of you. We're up $900 on the day so far. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. We will be back. Let's see. There is no, yes, the U.S. is open tomorrow. Initial jobless claims. That actually is a big report, so we should have some good volatility on that tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow for the U.S. Open. It's the only market open tomorrow, so they can really do with what they will with price, so it could be a good thing. We can predict them a lot easier, guys. Okay, so we're looking for a move down, guys. Looking for a move down. I'm not in the short yet, but we are looking for a move down. Probably going to come take this high. May even go a little higher to the 786. We're going to look for a move down, guys. I will let you know in Discord. Have your alerts set. You know what we're looking for. And I will see you guys.